I'm Nick and welcome to my shop. So this is a basement basically. It's 12 by, what did I measure it at? 12 by 16 feet. So really small space. I got some big equipment here that I play with. So this is my full-size lathe. And it was just basically a storage room. As you can see, just had to move stuff around. I built a wall in the back. So did all that work. Ended up getting power ran in here. So I needed 220 for the bandsaw and the lathe here. Got it organized, got my dust collector set up. And yeah, this space went from this really dark room to this fantastic small workshop. I'm really excited for this because it allows me to do bigger things. It allows me to just do glue ups here versus like a makerspace that I was working out of. It is a really fantastic space that I'm super excited to work through. So this is basically the progress, how I got from that storage room to the like basic shop that I could start setting up. Well, it's time to get it done. Cue the montage. I'm fairly pleased with that. For someone who's not a drywaller, I got drywall up. I know that I will get roasted in the comments for this little gem right here. So with drywall, understanding this is a factory edge and it's beveled in, and this is not. So the reason why it's beveled in is when you put tape and mud here, it all becomes nice and smooth. And if you look, there is, pops up, I don't know, maybe like an 1/8 or 1/16. Well, that just makes mudding and taping harder. So that will be harder to make disappear. Should have been more aware of my factory edge there, but I was not. So I'm going to pay for that later if I ever go mud and tape this wall. I know the professional drywall guys will just rip that out and put a new one in just because it's that much easier on mudding and taping. But I don't really plan on painting this. I don't really plan on doing anything more to this wall. Mainly this is just to keep dust out from that side. I might add some trim or something just to close in this gap here. But other than that, I'm fairly pleased. Basically, the goal is to keep this side, the dirty side, with dust and everything, and this side, storage for Christmas and everything else. So wall's in, that's good. I got this mess next to deal with. I gotta unpack a few things, figure out what I need, what I can go into like long-term storage here, what tools will be useful in this space. But my goal is to get the big lathe set up. The bandsaw, which you guys are attached to right now, is a tripod setup, and I need to get power ran and organize or shift everything around and get everything where I want it. But thanks for watching and have fun.